Welcome. This is a high-level demonstration of Atlatl Software's Erecta-Step configurator built for one of our safety platform manufacturing customers. Atlatl Software is a manufacturer and distributor-specific sales platform with 3D and mobile quoting tools. For today's demonstration, we'll be acting as a manufacturer's sales rep building a customized 3D product configuration. First, we select products. Here you'll see a diverse portfolio of safety product configurations for your customer's needs. Once selecting Erecta-Step, the sales rep is given 3 different options for the type of configuration they'd like to build. Our configurators are strictly rule-driven, so if sales was to select heavy duty, it will enable them to configure a Perfecta-Step configuration. Next, the sales rep will begin to add product by simply tapping their tablet on one of the green arrows. After selecting a product, they are then step-guided to select the next engineer-driven option. For most of our customers, this cuts down on an average of 1 month's time for producing drawings and bill of materials. The sales rep selects heavy duty, and in real time, a second heavy duty platform is configured. From there, we continue to build our Perfecta-Step with a third heavy duty platform, followed by the addition of stairs. At this point, notice the red X warnings, informing the sales rep their configuration is not engineering approved. The configurator will guide the sales rep to add the next appropriate product options to complete the system. While the configuration is being built, driven by engineering rules, the bill of materials is also being created on the back end through digital part, SKU, and pricing. Once the configuration is complete and within the scope of engineering work, the sales rep can then save their system and be geared towards the quote off of the saved configuration in quote books. If you're interested in learning more about quote books and Atlatl's 3D configurators, please reach out to our team at 843-619-3550. Thanks so much for your time today.